Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Rogers Finance. My name is Andrew, and today I'm going to be talking about something a little bit different actually. That is the McDonald's Pokemon promotion, which comes in these fun boxes. Now, for every Happy Meal that you happen to get, they're about $5 where I am. It could vary based on wherever you live. You get one of these packs in them, and they essentially contain a pack of cards and then something like a thing of stickers or a little display card thing, something like that. But basically what we're going after here is the cards, and for that value there. So I know this might seem a little bit off base for a finance channel, but I'm going to show you why this relates to finance. So first off, what you get inside here. Fun pack of stickers. But the important thing is this. It's a pack of 4 cards. They're 25th anniversary Pokemon cards. You get 4, 1 holographic, 3 regular. And I'm going to look up on eBay essentially what the value is of these cards. They've been kind of selling, going up and down in the past few days. I think this promotion's been going on for about a week now. And obviously the values are going to change over time. My plan essentially for this is to keep a couple packs as is, not opened, and just save them for like 10, 20 years. And then I'm also just going to save the cards probably, and I might sell a few as well. But we'll see what happens. I'm going to open these for you live, and we'll see what we get and what the value is. And I think what's interesting about this is you sort of get that value back that you paid for the meal if you were to sell a lot of these cards in here. Especially if we get something like a holographic Pikachu, fingers crossed. But probably not, but who knows. So we got our cards here. Go from the top. Torchic. Some of these I don't remember. I don't know when you guys grew up, but I'm pretty much maxed out at Gen 3 Pokemon. After that, it's just, I don't know what's going on. So, got Fennekin. Got a Froakie or Froakie. I might be saying that wrong. Ooh, and that's a good one. We got a holographic Bulbasaur. Now, I've actually gotten a Bulbasaur in my last box that I opened. So this is really good. So I'm going to check real quick on eBay, and we'll see how much this holographic Bulbasaur is worth today, at least by what's sold. All right, guys, so hopping over to eBay real quick, we are going to check out essentially what is selling right now. So hover over to this guy here, which matches the card I just got. Say auction ends in 26 minutes. Current bid is $8.50 with free shipping. Oh, not even free shipping, $1.99. So they're paying for the shipping. Probably doesn't even cost that much to ship, honestly. But so $8.50. The meal that I purchased was a little under $5, and that's not even including the 3 cards. Oops. That I got: the Torchic, Fennekin, and Froakie. So right off the bat there, I essentially, if I were to choose to sell this on eBay right now, I'd make my money back on the meal, and I'd still have the stickers. I'd obviously have the burger, fries, apple slices, and chocolate milk. So it's kind of a way to get a free meal right now, at least if you sell in the next probably week or so. They're going to be printing more of these cards, and that's obviously going to bring the value down. How much so, I don't know. And if this ends up climbing back over time, that's a possibility as well. But there's really no way to know where this goes in the future, which is why I'm going to keep some and, see where it goes essentially. If we go though and see what these normal cards are going for, like the Torchic, let's look that up. So obviously this is based on what people are willing to pay, and this is going to change over time. It could go up, could go down. But right now, for example, this regular Torchic card is going for $2.50 with shipping included on eBay. So, pretty much as it stands right now, the price of the Happy Meal is less than the amount you're going to get for those 4 cards online if you choose to sell them. So what I'm going to do essentially is going to sell the doubles, try to make a set, and then keep a few standard card packs and just kind of save them with time, and hopefully it becomes a valuable thing after a decade or two. This is the 25th year of Pokemon, so it obviously does have some staying power. And worst case scenario, I'll lose $20-30 over time. Not a huge deal, but it could be worth a lot more than what it currently is. One thing that I will say is don't go to a McDonald's, and even if they're allowing it, buy like 100 packs. Just be considerate of other people that obviously want these as well. I buy 2 at a time, like per day pretty much, and I've been eating a lot of McDonald's, but don't just go in there and buy tons of packs or buy the scalped like cases of it. Kind of ruins the whole fun of the thing. That's just my opinion though. Obviously you're gonna do whatever you want, but let me know in the comments what you think about this. I think it's a really unique financial opportunity, honestly, for essentially a fast food game that you're getting for free, and you're getting a meal with it. So it's pretty cool. You're also getting a lot of the joy from opening a Pokemon pack that I kind of had as a kid, and it's fun to kind of relive that feeling of opening a card pack and seeing what you got. And I'm really hoping that I will get a Pikachu at some point. That'll be pretty boss, but who knows. But let me know what you guys think about it. Let me know in a comment down below. Do you think these are going to be worth anything in the future? Do you think these will just be garbage sitting in a corner of my closet? Let me know what you think, and I will see you guys in the next video.